Yeah. Baker reported to you live from the A. Just wanted to give you an idea how much snow we got out here so y'all don't feel lonely. Like we ain't getting it. I'm gonna hit y'all with something right now and show y'all. Oh man, this is terrible. Bah humbug. Thought I escaped the snow in New York. Followed me all the way to the A. Won't be no driving today. Heavy on the snow. We got about maybe 6-7 inches out here. It's thick. It's gonna start getting icy. State of emergency. Highways are shut down. Meaning there won't be no work for me today again. Terrible. Give you an idea how much we got. Look at that snowball weather. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's thick. Well, Vega the V signing off. Stay warm. Stay in the house. If you're in Georgia. If you're in New York, it's coming your way. You can't dodge it. It's my Blizzard blog for the 2011. Peace, man. Holla back, New York. Yeah.